Let me do an everyday carry type of video today. Some throwing knives, got a revolver, threats. Go reset that. Had one failure there. I'm not happy with those, but it happens. I can't do much better than this. Okay, must have adjusted a little bit high on that one. Not too bad. Let me reset.
She's like Gordon Call with a heart of fire and a rebel call. On the raised nine kinds of hell in a world where the shadows dwell. I'm a whisper in the wind, storm on the rise, breaking the silence. She's like Gordon Call with a heart of fire and a rebel call. On the raised nine kinds of hell in a world where the shadows dwell. I'm a whisper in the wind, storm on the rise, breaking the silence, tearing through the lines. With every step, I'm shaking the ground in this dance of chaos. Glory bound, raise the banners, let the wild wind swell. We're igniting the night, ringing freedom's bell. All the signs just like the stories tell. In the heart of the battle, I'm raising hell. Echoes of laughter in the midnight air. With a crew of outlaws, we're daring to dare. No chains can hold us, no walls can confine. With the fire in our souls, we're destined to shine. Riding the lightning, chasing the stars, living for the moment, breaking down the bars. With every heartbeat, we're riding our spell. In the chaos of life, we're raising hell. Raise the banners, let the wild wind swell. We're igniting the time, ringing freedom's bell. Forge a fight just like the stories tell. In the heart of the battle, I'm raising hell. In the dark days, we'll still stand tall. With flames like fire, we'll never fall. Together we'll dance, in the ashes we'll dwell. Forever and always, we'll make raise a banner, let the wild wind swell. We're igniting the light, ringing freedom's bell. Born to fly, just like the storm and scale. In the heart of the battle, I'm rising.
Okay, let's wrap it up. All right then. My everyday vest for everything. Just one of my typical vests. I got it set up to carry my phone. These mounting bars that I've shown in past videos. We can hook knives on there for the top pockets. Right here, my wallet is locked into one of these pockets at all times. A little bit of fire kit, eye drops, mustache wax, anything else I need on that one. Same thing here, little knife sharpener, a cold steel Voyager, everyday carry. That's a Schaffer 15-ounce bush cloth ranch vest, basically, from Schaffer Outfitters. And a little bit of sewing and some customization. And my GI Tanto mounts on the side, just like on my jackets. So there you have it. Yeah, as some of you may have guessed, I played around with that little AI music generator thingy that everybody else is playing with. So I had to throw my hat in the ring on that one. It's not something that I really like all that much. I did find it a little bit amusing, so a bit of a guilty pleasure there. Tonight's music. Of course, written for me by an AI bot somewhere out in internet land there. So there you have it. Some accurate knife throws tonight. Some accurate groups with the GP100. It did a little bit of customization on this rear sight. I was worried about them rear springs falling out, the springs that push the rear sight up. I did a little bit of a hack with a couple of tiny pieces of inner tube jammed in there, and it seems to be working very well. All right. The old GI Tanto exactly where I wanted it to go. A lot of times when I get these bullseyes that you see in these videos, yes, that is intentional. It's not a big deal. And no, that does not make me a good knife thrower. If you want to watch good knife throwers, you go watch Full Tang Clan. Answers to the name of Danger. That's who you want to watch. Adam, I can never get his last name right. Adam Kelladine, I believe. Easy to find him. Anyway, everyday carry tutorial is what I'm going to make this one. Thanks for being everyone. Thanks for being everyone here. And thanks for being here, everyone. You know what I mean? So there you have it. All right, we better cut this one short. I've been going on long enough. I've been very happy. That's not what I meant to say either. I've been very unhappy with my knife throwing. Probably these past 5 or 6 videos, you know. I want it to look exactly like Danger. I can never do that. Never going to get that good. All the rest of us mortals are not going to be able to do that. So I continue to just do what I can. And hopefully show you that this could be effective for self-defense. Maybe. Be very careful with that kind of thinking, all right? So there you have it. Maybe some swinging targets on the next one. I got to take a break from these for a while. We got to get some important work done. Some machinery maintenance and some gardening and stuff like that. I'm Dead Wolf. I'll see you soon on the next one. Thanks for being there, everyone. Cousins and friends, take care, all right?